welcome back to part 2, you guys. If you saw my video prior to this, you would see these are the results of my keratin treatment on my hair, the Alpha G keratin treatment. So now the next step is we're going to try out Mielle Organics deep conditioner or hair mask and see how well my hair reacts to it. I've been so excited to try this deep conditioner, and let me tell you, I love it. It smells so good, and what I actually did was sleep with this mask overnight. And the reason I did that is because I haven't deep conditioned my hair in like a month in this particular clip. So when you guys see the results, you definitely should go pick up this hair mask. Like, it just smells so good. Like, the mintiness of it just makes your like scalp feel like it's breathing. And not to mention that they also have the hair growth oil that's also rosemary and mint, and it feels so good on your scalp after you've shampooed your hair. Like, it just literally feels like someone's blowing cool air on your scalp, and it's really from the mintiness. So all I do was apply this Mielle Organics hair mask into 4 sections. I like to do 4 sections because I like to really saturate my hair with my hair mask and just make sure every single strand is getting all of that love. And then after I put it in each section, I'm going to really insulate my hair. So the key to a deep conditioner, you also want to use heat. So if you have a bonnet dryer or overhead dryer, go ahead and use that. That's great. Or when you get ready to go to bed and you want to do a deep conditioning mask overnight, you need to create heat. And as you're sleeping, you basically are creating heat as long as you're covering your hair. So what you're going to see in the next clip is me putting on a shower cap. Well, really like a plastic cap, and then a shower cap, and then my bonnet. Now with these 3 layers, it's just generating heat under there and really just allowing my hair shaft to soak up all that moisture. And now for the results. Y'all, look at how my hair has clumped up. Even that little trouble area is trying so hard to be like the other side, but it'll get there eventually. But I am so pleased with these results, you guys. Definitely check that out. I will leave the link to every single product in the description box below for you guys to purchase or go check out. And I'm taking the rosemary mint scalp and strengthening oil. And one thing I've been doing for this new year in general is using oil on my scalp. Every time I wash my hair before styling it, I oil my scalp. I kind of like to think of it in the sense of you are watering a plant. So think about it in that way. So I'm going throughout my entire head. Usually I go in sections just to make sure I just cover basically all my scalp. And after I apply the oil, I like to go in with a simple scalp massage. And that is basically it, you guys. Make sure you check out all these products in the description box below. And that is basically it. Let me know what you think, or have you tried these products before? I'm loving Mielle Organics. It smells amazing. Talk to you guys later. Bye.